Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your field required in DocuSign signature. So first of all, let's create, for example, a new document, and then let's upload it from a template. You can either use new one or upload it from the template, doesn't actually matter. Let's go with your name. Let's add a recipient from the contact like this. Got it. And then we have tons of options on the left side. For example, name. So we're going to go with full name, yada yada yada. Also, address will be just a simple text, you know, obviously. And for example, telephone number. You can go with telephone number as well. I don't know if there is. It's probably just text. Yep. Okay. And right now, let's say that we want to go like proof. For example, okay, we want to go with the title. Title won't be a mandatory window, so it can be not a required field. So let's say we don't want to make it required, we want to make it optional, so we scratched it out. But you can put it on read only, so you write down the title first, and then you can't really change it. So Mr. or Mrs. Them, they, for example, I don't really know. I don't really want to get into those. So yeah, if the field is not required and you are reviewing some kind of document after your colleague and he mistakenly switched it off, like you see this one is required and is full yellow. This is not required, it's optional, so it's just a yellow outline. You click on the field and click required field, and that's about it. Then you hit next, and well, yeah, obviously I have to add like this thingies, and then we can hit next. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye. Also, if you have more questions, please leave them underneath this video and I'll try to answer them as quickly as I can. Thanks and goodbye.